Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get these limited brain rots on Plants vs. Brain Rot on the from the last event or the one before. I'm not sure. It was the hit list event. So to get these brain rots, you basically need to just wait until the egg shows up. It is called the meme egg or something. Meme lucky. It looks like this. It's going to come up on your treadmill. Then you're just going to press on it and you'll get limited brain rots. But obviously it's going to be random. So I got Armenia or something, I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, this is the limited one. I also got this one from it, the Brainrots. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.